To lead the charge in combating climate change, an energy asset management firm is harnessing the power of SAP's business technology platform, bringing untapped, connected, and predictive insights together to empower intelligent decisions in green energy management to meet the goals of the Paris Climate Agreement. The customer has partnered with SAP to develop a digital platform that allows investors to secure investments towards renewable energy, maximizing economical and ecological returns while minimizing risk. Confronted with a vast array of data, they were challenged with integrating, examining, and governing data across distributed systems in order to automate and deploy predictive models at enterprise scale while providing full transparency to investors. Powered by SAP Business Technology Platform, the millions of aggregated technical, meteorological, and financial data assets were brought into SAP HANA and analyzed. To leverage SAP's big data mining capabilities, SAP IoT and IoT application enablement were used to connect, integrate, and store unstructured data from each asset in wind farms and solar parks on a global basis. SAP's machine learning and predictive services provided further insight with predictive data simulation for wind turbines, anticipating changes based on historic data to assets in wind energy parts, and identifying potential damages early to take proactive measures. With decision supporting KPI dashboards on SAP Analytics Cloud to maximize asset and portfolio performance and minimize risk by identifying those that underperformed. Metrics on these dashboards for energy production, revenues, and liquidity are personalized for the customer's clients, empowering them with the highest transparency standards to secure investments. SAP Data Intelligence has also been integral in the efforts to optimize wind farm operations for peak performance and maintenance by predicting and surfacing alerts for future turbine failure. With data across multiple systems, it was previously a manual and error-prone effort to collect and refine data. SAP Data Intelligence brings together operational and situational data and automates deployment of predictive models at scale to derive intelligent insight from all traffic across distributed wind farms. In a single end-to-end tool, it offers one comprehensive modeling experience for data pipelines, workflows, and data transformations for enterprise visibility and governance. You can set up, manage, and automate a continuous stream of data and machine learning lifecycle, accelerating data-driven innovation. This particular use case focuses on the oil temperature of the gearbox to ensure that the wind turbines are properly lubricated against weather conditions that could cause corrosion. You can create data pipelines and embed machine learning algorithms to predict oil temperatures and train a regression model in Python, harnessing various data science techniques. From there, you can use SAP Analytics Cloud to visualize various metrics on actual and predicted oil temperature variance by location and per wind turbine. First, the IoT sensor data is read, then the data assets are indexed and crawled. In the Machine Learning Scenario Manager, the list of existing scenarios can be seen as a single interface for all artificial intelligence models across the organization, from setting up and orchestrating the deployment of machine learning scenarios to managing governance, audits, and transparency. In the data staging pipeline, the user can see that IoT data is generated from the windmill and stored in the S3 bucket. This pipeline performs various transformations to the IoT dataset, creating an output data artifact that can be used for training in later stages. Using JupyterLab integrated with SAP Data Intelligence, data scientists are able to explore datasets and observe statistics on raw data with flexibility, understanding wind speed scenarios and turbine attributes. All necessary libraries are also imported to plot wind speed features from wind turbine datasets. Next, a model is trained with a decision tree regressor and saved using the artifact producer to apply and run a simple prediction on the actual dataset. When the dataset and the trained model are inputted into a pipeline and executed from the Machine Learning Studio, it produces the predictive results of oil temperature in the turbine's gearbox. The data file, with both the actual and predicted metrics, is then written to SAP Analytics Cloud in the pipeline to deliver data-driven intelligence across the enterprise, while also surfacing alerts for turbines that require maintenance. In the SAP Analytics Cloud story, the geospatial map displays all turbine locations with predicted oil temperature. Each chart uncovers various metrics, including power generation per turbine over time, predicted versus actual gear oil temperature variance over time, and by turbine. The ability to analyze across all distributed wind farms while also drilling down on each location's turbines provides vital information on the state of the turbine with early technical failure detection and empowered employees to more efficiently address resulting actions required for repairs. As a digital frontrunner towards investments in green power generation partnered with the SAP Business Technology Platform, the customer provided database portfolio management on a global scale, maximizing investment profit, and minimizing operational risk to eliminate barriers in the renewable energy investment process. Surfacing potential failures and optimizing asset performance has been essential to ensuring returns while accelerating further investment. It has also differentiated business for the customer, as it's enabled them as a data as a service company for their clients' businesses by providing added value in previously untapped data and analytics.